Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through new secret phone settings for all Android devices. So in this video I'm gonna tell you about a setting that you can just turn on right now. So for that, go to settings. Now just scroll and go to additional settings. Again scroll from here and click on accessibility. Now just turn on this option, and here you can see accessibility menu. Click on it and turn this on. Now click on allow and click on OK. Now in the bottom right, here you can see there is accessibility option. Just click on it. Now here you can see there are so many things that you can do by just clicking here. Just like clicking on Google Assistant, you can launch Google Assistant. Clicking on power, you can just turn off your device, you can reboot it, or you can just lock it. You can just see the notification by clicking on notification. You can select the toggles, you can just make your volume up and down. You can take a screenshot. So guys, that's the trick. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.